She's done very well.
Your mentee
She wants to come on call, but her battery is very low. So I told her, even if you come for 2-3 minutes, it's okay. फिर आप charge पे रखो आपका phone.
Okay, sounds great. Sounds great. Do you know who's your what's your mentee's name, Iksha?
Hina.
Hina. She was on the call this morning also. Hina. And what did she score?
She has scored. I'm not sure, but she scored in 90s. That's what she told.
Okay. Okay. She's in a 9:30 batch, right, Iksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 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 Well done, well done. We will congratulate her when we see her. But like I was telling everybody, the SSC score should be fairly good this time, given the two circumstances. Keisha, prepare for your score.
Excuse me. Dilkush here.
Dilkush, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, so my mentee Ranjana, she scored like low marks and she's crying. Like I have to go call her, but then what do I exactly? She was expecting much more.
Okay.
She's got 83%.
Okay, and she was expecting?
She was expecting about 90.
All right. Listen, our TFI kids are going to go through something like that, right? Because they are children who want to achieve. So, Dilkush, we went through this a little earlier. What you need to say is you just need to walk her through a series of questions. Swara still on this call? Okay, so Swara, can you hop on the call with Dilkush and walk through this conversation since you were here? I don't want to go through it because there are mentees on the call now. So, and then Swara, come back on this call. And once Dilkush has a handle on it, come back on this call and let Dilkush continue her conversation there. But Dilkush, come back and tell us what's happening. All right?
All right, yes, I will.
That's good. Thanks, Swara. Thanks, Dilkush.
Bye.
Who else heard? Who else was here? Prakash, wo percentage pata chala beta? Not yet. Okay, no problem. Arushi, Tanu, Stephanie, y'all were all here when I was talking about how to handle these things, right? Okay, cool. All right, I see some scores coming on our chat. Okay, 1 second, let's go through this. Okay. There's so many groups. I'm just going through different groups. Sorry guys, just checking everything. Okay, Nandini had typed a score, Sejal Dubey score.
Saurabh has put it on in the chat.
Saurabh has put it on which chat?
Chat, Zoom chat. Sejal got 80.
Zoom chat. My God, I have to look everywhere. Okay, great. So if they're happy, good, just go and celebrate with them. We want them to be happy. Then I see Hina. Hello, Hina.
Hi, ma'am.
Hina, I heard you did very, very well. Hina?
हाँ ma'am.
Look how happy she looks. क्या सीखा और कैसे लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Good. क्या score है Hina?
95.
Excellent. Superbly well done. Superb. Look at Stephanie Didi's face. Stephanie Didi को 95 नहीं मिला था. Well done, Hina. Congratulations. इक्षा दीदी ने बताया आपका बैटरी कम है तो आप ज्यादा टाइम हमसे जुड़ नहीं पाएंगे. लेकिन but we are so happy that you joined us. We're so happy that you joined us. Hina, which school?
Prabha Devi.
Prabha Devi. Okay. Well done, Hina. Very, very proud of you. Mohammad Bhaiya ne likha hai, congratulations.
Thank you.
Bhaiya ne likha hai, congratulations.
Thank you.
So well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Okay. Iksha, you want to hop off and celebrate with Hina a little bit and then come back?
Ma'am, we have already celebrated. Now we are going to celebrate on Saturday properly.
Okay.
With plans, me and Sapna.
Okay. Are you going to cut a cake?
Let's see. We are going to plan something, but for her, since she's done so well.
Hello, Zim.
Hello. Satyam Kajal Gyani has reached. Okay. He has a different phone, but he's reached. So he just called to say he's reached. Hello. Who just said hello?
Prakash,
Prakash, bolo. We are waiting for you only.
67%.
I think that's, how do you feel about it, Prakash?
Good.
Good. You should feel good, Prakash. You should feel good. That's a superbly well done score, Prakash.
Thank you.
And you said you want to do commerce, right?
Yes.
So, and sorry, his Didi or Bhaiya, your Didi or Bhaiya was Sneha Didi.
Sneha Didi.
Okay. तो स्नेहा दीदी को बोलती हूँ आपको फोन करने के लिए, चलेगा? हाँ, तो आप स्नेहा दीदी से के साथ बहुत बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन करना.
Okay.
Yes, we are
Yes.
very proud of you, Prakash. This is a good score. You will go to commerce. You will study. It will be well. It's a good score. Okay, Prakash?
Okay, Di.
आजू बाजू मत देखना, ऊपर नीचे मत देखना. Just know that you have studied and you have done well, and now you are going to go further ahead. All right?
Yes.
Well done, Prakash. Well done. Kisha, can we get Sneha to get on the phone?
Yes. Someone, Swara isn't here, but Brar was on the call and then he left. So,
Okay.
should we get someone on the phone with him?
Yes. Yes. So, Prakash, Sneha दीदी आपको फोन करेगी, ठीक है?
ठीक है दी.
Okay. एक बार चेहरा तो दिखाओ मुझे. वीडियो चालू करो, मुझे देखना है.
गाँव में.
कोई बात नहीं ना, मैं शहर में हूँ, नो प्रॉब्लम. फिर भी चला मुझे देखना चेहरा. There he is. We are so proud of you. Well done. All right. Well done. I love that smile. So keep that smile. Okay. Keep that smile. All right. Well done. Sneha Didi is going to call you. So you can hang up so Sneha Didi can call you. All right. Well done. All right. Bye.
Bye.
All right. I think you all are getting a feel for how these conversations need to go, right? I think you all are getting a feel for how these conversations need to go. Anyone else? Do we need to get someone else online with Prakash?
What the?
No, beta. Not for you, beta. Not for you. Huh.
Okay.
Why doesn't Khushi? Can you give Prakash a call till Sneha gets connected with him?
Sure, ma'am. I actually don't have his number.
Yeah,
So
Satyam will send it to you. Not an issue. Satyam will send it to you, or you can get it from Jisha, and you can get on a call with Prakash, right?
yes, ma'am.
And I'm sure it'll just be a couple of minutes because he seems fine.
Okay, ma'am.
And then you can hop back on here with us. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Khushi.
Subhojit has posted his score.
Where on our
Yes.
batch one?
He's got 328 out of 500.
So what does that mean? I don't know what that means.
Just doing it.
65.6, ma'am. I calculated.
Not bad.
Yes.
Not bad at all. Who is Subhojit's mentor?
I'm calling him, ma'am.
Super, Barushi. Go do your thing because you do it so well. So go do your thing. Great. So this is how it's going to work. Got it? Eksha. Okay, Hina is still on call. Hina can hang up now. Eksha, you can get Hina to hang up now. Can you call her so that she can hang up?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Thank you. I love Rashna so much. She's already on the chat. Well done. Like, I mean, if these kids only knew how loved they were, like seriously. Sheetal Dubey is saying, I got 80. She's written on.
That's Sejal. That's Sejal.
That's Sejal. Okay.
Yeah.
And who's talking to Sejal right now?
I think Nandini is, or Saurabh. Oh, sorry, I thought Saurabh was Saurabh.
Saurabh's on this call.
Yes.
Saurabh, you can call Sejal, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So call her and then join this call back up. Okay. Celebrate with her, huh, Saurabh? Make it like a big thing. Celebrate with her.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come back on this call after you're done, please. Great. I wish there was a way to connect our WhatsApp chat to this call. It's so much excitement.
Ayush and Disha have joined the call.
Where's Ayush?
He was here a second away.
I see Disha. Hi, Disha.
Hi, Didi.
Disha, how are you feeling?
Nice.
I'm so glad to hear that. Would you like to share your score with us?
71%.
Well done. Look at all the didis and bhaiyas. They're so excited for you. Well done, Disha.
Thank you, Didi.
Yes, well done, well done. We're super proud of you. Hi, Ayush. How are you feeling, Ayush?
Better.
You're better. We love that, Ayush. Tell us what's making you feel better, Ayush.
Yes, I got a 85%.
Well done, Ayush. Well done, Ayush. Ayush, Disha, we see you all every Wednesday. We know how hard you work. We know how committed you are. Of course, that hard work was going to get rewarded. Well done, both of you. Well done. You should both be very proud of yourselves. Very proud.
Thank you, ma'am.
Disha, who's your Didi or Bhaiya?
98.
It was first Bhumi Didi, now it's Satyam Bhaiya.
Bhumi Didi, now it's Satyam Bhaiya. Okay, so Satyam Bhaiya is going to call you right now. Right now. Satyam Bhaiya is going to call you. Ayush, who's your Didi or Bhaiya?
Huda Didi.
Huda Didi. Keisha.
And the Ananya Didi also.
And Ananya Didi also.
I think Huda's in a lecture.
Ananya?
Yes,
Ananya,
I called him. We spoke.
Ananya.
Yes, ma'am, we spoke.
Acha, you spoke. Great, great. All right. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. My gosh, so much excitement. I wish we were doing this live in person. That would have been amazing. Can you imagine? We would have burst those things with, oh, Dr. Shani would never have let us back in ISMI if we'd done that with all that confetti everywhere.
We'd put down a blanket and stand on that and do it.
That is allowed.
Try it out.
Dr. Shani, Hansika would have been like, you can't do that. Hansika, we love you if you ever watch this. So, Ayush, how are you going to celebrate today? Disha, how are you going to celebrate today? I think we've lost them. Disha is on a call with Satyam. So, Disha is on a call with Satyam. Ma'am, there is a network problem. Ayush just wrote, Are yaar, to celebrate, there is a network problem. Aise kaise? Hello, Pinky. पिंकी सुनाई दे रहा है? अभी सुनाई देगा. पिंकी सुनाई दे रहा है? पिंकी सुनाई दे रहा है?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
पिंकी कैसे महसूस कर रहे हो आप?
बहुत ही अच्छा मैम.
बहुत ही अच्छा. स्कोर मिला आपको?
हाँ.
क्या मिला?
कुछ नहीं मिला मैम. रिजल्ट आया अभी जस्ट.
रिजल्ट अभी जस्ट आया. आपने रिजल्ट देखा?
हाँ.
तो रिजल्ट देखा तो क्या बोला था? रिजल्ट क्या लिखा था?
पूछ ले मैम अपना नाम और रोल नंबर और मदर का नाम और क्लास नेम, क्लास नंबर।
तो मार्क्स नहीं लिखे थे पिंकी?
नहीं।
आपकी दीदी कौन है पिंकी?
सपना दीदी।
सपना दीदी, can you get on a call with her and just check out her score? सपना दीदी आपको फोन कर रहे हैं, ठीक है पिंकी? आपको मार्क्स देखने में मदद करेगी और फिर वापस हमसे जुड़ना, ठीक है? सपना दीदी अभी फोन कर रही है आपको। सपना दीदी अभी फोन कर रही है आपको, ठीक है पिंकी? I think Sapna is going to call her. Great.
Mayank is here, Aditya is
Okay,
here.
what's your update, Dilkush?
Yes, ma'am. Swara and I spoke to her, and she's fine now. Like, we made her, like, I spoke about how, like, it is the qualities that are in you which will help you build a great future. And I mean, with these scores, you can still, like, get a good enough college, if not the topmost. She was expecting the topmost, like she wanted Xavier's and all of that. So I was like, you can still get it, even if, like, you can get colleges after 11th also, right? If I'm not wrong, like, if you want to shift colleges, you can do that. So Swara spoke about that to her, and
Keisha, can we see what's happening with that, please? क्योंकि सपना दीदी आपको फोन ट्राई कर रही है, आप ये कॉल कट कीजिए और सपना दीदी का कॉल आ रहा है आपके ऊपर।
हाँ
कॉल कट कीजिए, सपना दीदी आपको कर रही है।
ठीक है।
आपको पता है ये कॉल कैसे कट करना है पिंकी?
सॉरी मैम।
आपको पता है ये कॉल कैसे कट करना है आपको?
हाँ।
Yes, Sapna.
She got her score.
Oh, she got her score.
I spoke to her.
Hi, Didi.
Okay, you want to type her score in the chat rather than saying it out loud, so we are all on the same page. Hello, Suvojit.
Hello, Priyas ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine.
Suvojit, I see that smile.
Yeah, I got 66%.
And we are so happy about that, Suvojit. We are so happy about that. Are you happy about that?
Yeah, I am also very happy.
I'm so thankful to hear you say that. You know, Rashna, Keisha, and I have been watching you on Wednesdays, and we are so excited every week by the questions you ask, the connections you make with us. We're so happy to know that you are happy today. So happy to know that you are happy today. Well done, Suvojit. Well done.
Thank you.
Now, what is your plan?
Miss, your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking. All right. I have a solution. Hey, Mrudula is also here.
Put her score. Yes, she's put her score in the chat.
Yeah.
And she's here.
I think it's a phenomenal score. I think given everything, it's a phenomenal score. It's not just a good score, it's a phenomenal score. And I think that's how it needs to be delivered to her.
Yeah, now your voice is coming.
Suvojit, now you can hear me clearly?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, great, Suvojit. Suvojit, Abhi, now what's your plan?
I will take commerce.
Okay.
After 12th, I will take that CA chartered accountancy.
You want to do? Okay. All right. Great. So we are very proud of you, Suvojit. We're very, very proud of you. Very proud of you.
After 4 months, I laugh very much.
After 4 months, you smiled a lot. I'm sure, beta. I'm sure. You are not allowed to make me tear up, all right? I have to keep my energy up. All right. Well done, Suvajit. We're super proud of you. And we're happy that you're happy. We're very happy that you're happy.
Please ask to Ayush that he got how many percentage.
I will ask Ayush, but I want you to remember one thing, okay? It doesn't
Yeah.
matter what anybody else got.
Yeah.
It does not matter what anybody else got. We are proud of what you got.
Yeah. Thank
Right?
you.
And you are going to make your future amazing. It doesn't matter what Ayush got. It doesn't matter what anyone else got. Suvajit's future is going to be amazing. Because
Thank you, ma'am.
Suvajit has worked hard and Suvajit has got a great percentage. All right?
Yeah.
Will you remember that? Will you remember that?
Yeah.
Well done, Suvajit. Well done. Hey, look, I see that Durgeshwari just joined us. Durgeshwari. Can you hear me, bacha?
Don't think she's joined it.
Her audio is not joined.
Not yet.
Ananya, you want to say something? You raised your hand. Or was that by mistake?
Aditya is also here.
This is so exciting. I feel like I'm doing a live news conference and like, you know, everybody's joining, leaving, joining, leaving. Like, this is like super exciting. Oh, Aditya is also here. I don't see Aditya.
Aditya B. See his
Haan,
picture.
haan, haan,
photo.
haan, haan.
Say
Hi,
hey,
Aditya. Hi, Aditya. Aditya, I love that smile. I love that smile. Unmute your phone, beta. Unmute your phone.
Thank you.
Yes, tell us the reason behind this smile. Tell us the reason behind this smile.
So I take percentage, na?
Yes.
85.20.
Well done. Well done, Aditya. Well done.
Very nice, Aditya.
Very nice. See, even Suvajit is complimenting you. When peers
Thank you.
support peers and peers take care of peers,
You
well.
got very nice marks.
Yes, but Suvajit,
Congratulations.
so did you. Congratulations, Aditya. Congratulations, Aditya. Congratulations, Suvajit. Well done to
Thank
both
you.
of you. Well done to both of you. Aditya, now what's your plan, beta? What do you think you want to do?
Engineering.
You want to do engineering. You know, Rashna ma'am knows a lot about that because she had helped one of her students previously. So we'll connect you or we will get information from her and pass it on to you. Okay, we will get information from her. Yes, Stephanie.
Can I get on a call with her now?
Yes, please go
Hello?
celebrate.
Yes,
Yes, Suvajit.
प्लीज अभी परसेंटेज आया नहीं, मैंने सबको भेजा, तो सिर्फ मैसेजेस आए जा रहे, सिर्फ मैसेजेस आए जा रहे।
हाँ, तो आप जाके चेक करो मैसेजेस, सेलिब्रेट करो सबके साथ। हाँ, थैंक यू हमारे कॉल पे आने के लिए। थैंक यू
Suvajit.
हाय सुभोजित।
I can leave. Hi, Arushi.
Durgeshwari.
Yes, Didi. Yes, ma'am.
Camera on. Oh,
Yes.
I see that smile. Tell me more about that smile, Durgeshwari.
90.60%.
Yeah. Amazing, Durgeshwari.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Most welcome.
मैं बहुत डर गई थी, सच में मैम, मैं बहुत डर गई थी, मुझे पता भी नहीं था मुझे इतना मतलब गिरेगे मार्क्स। Wow, I'm very happy.
We are so happy that you are happy. We are so happy that you are happy. And I want to hug everybody. So this social distancing is driving me crazy just now. But Durgeshwari, we are very proud of you. Very proud of you. आपकी दीदी भैया कौन है, Durgeshwari?
Swara Didi and Sejal Didi.
So maybe Swara Didi and Sejal Didi can get on a call with Durgeshwari to celebrate. Swara Didi आपको फोन कर रही है मस्ती करने के लिए, celebrate करने के लिए.
Yes, Didi.
Okay, all right. Yes. I love you. Subhojit, I love you.
Bye.
Very proud of both of you. All right. Bye. 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 Suvojit, are you listening to me?
Yeah.
I want you to only focus on your marks. Okay, Suvojit?
Yeah,
No one else's marks. Only on your marks. Okay? Now you go and celebrate with your friends. Celebrate with your friends. Okay? Bye. We are very proud of you. Bye. 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 Eksha, you keep raising your hand, which like freaks me out because I keep thinking you have questions.
Ma'am, I feel we can feel what they feel sometimes. Like when she told me she's got, I was so scared. I was so scared. You won't believe it. Because when I had spoken to her last, she was like damn scared. And now today I'm like so revealed. Ki haan, okay.
Relieved.
Yeah.
And yes, Eksha, you know, we can feel what someone else feels. When we start building relationships with people, and that's what's called empathy. We start connecting with them and we can start feeling them. So Rashna and I feel very good when we see you all as young people developing the quality of empathy and start feeling. Dilkhush, our conversation is not done. Please, can you finish? Sorry, I have to support the kids and
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, go ahead.
Right. So I just spoke to her, and Swara and I made her feel okay, and like told her about how she can still like get good marks and change to the college that she wishes to after 11th as well. So she was okay after the call, and we like asked her if she could join. However, she has some work, like she has to contact the TFI people as well. So she's
Right.
like, I'll come after that. And she's like, if I'll be very late, I'll talk to Freyaz ma'am directly.
Yes.
Like, "Oh, no problem."
Yes, I will also call her. She's one of our regular kids who comes on Wednesdays.
Yes.
So I will also call her. In fact, Satyam and Kajal are on their way here. So it's a great day. We didn't plan it. It just, you know, God planned it. He just knew today was the day they needed to be here. So it'll be easier for me to start connecting with these kids today because they will be here. So I'll definitely speak with Ranjana myself.
Sure.
Dilkhush, I'm really so heartened that you have stayed connected with her. You have a rapport and relationship with her, and that you know that she trusts you enough to talk to you and share her feelings with you, and that just shows that you are Pehchan leader material. You know what I'm saying? And you know, this is not just their marks and their graduation. In so many ways, it's yours. Because, you know, Dilkhush, from that ping pong game till now, it's been such a huge journey for you, hasn't it, Dilkhush?
Yes.
Yeah, but you just couldn't understand how someone's values could be different than yours. And the amount of tears you had then and then dealing with your first mentee, wasn't that the same Pinky Keisha who was online with us a little earlier? So Dilkhush, just imagine, doesn't that make you cry? That girl, yes, remember how much we've gone through with her, then you, then Swara, and then she's still connected with us. And she's got 58 point something. So for, you know,
Did
when
we
I look
get
at
her
it,
percentage?
yes, 58.5 or something like that. For her, that's like 95 point something.
Yes.
You know, and it's such a huge success story, not ours, hers. Our success story with her is just beginning.
Right.
Yes, and it's because you didn't want to give up on her.
She plans to do medicine. Pinky plans to do medicine. And science. But she's very excited, is basically what Sapna has told us.
Yeah, we will work with her. We brought her this far with us. Oh, the two heroes are here. Wait one second.
Satyam is on the phone.
Sorry.
Oh, ma'am.
Yes, 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 yes.
One of my kids, she scored 84.
Okay.
And she's not happy with the marks and she wants to put it for rechecking.
Okay, that's a Rashna question. Who's the child, please?
Janvi Jagdale.
Yeah, TFI, right?
Yes.
We're going to have to help our TFI kids understand and accept their scores. Rush, I think Rashna hopped off the call. Ananya, can you call her and understand what it takes to put a paper in re-eval?
Yes.
And then can you come back on and educate us so we can answer another child's questions about
Yes.
that as well? Thank you. Ananya, why are you sad?
No, I'm fine.
Yes, you need to celebrate that 84 and keep on reminding her how awesome that 84 is, how awesome that 84 is. You can't come down to her emotion, beta. You got to feature her up to your emotion.
Yes, I'm not sad because of her percentage.
Okay. Okay?
Yes, I'll come back.
All right, come back. We're waiting for you. My bichari Dilkhush keeps getting put on the side. And she's also gone. Rashna's back. But we got to tell Rashna that Ananya's calling her. Stephanie, bol dikra.
I spoke to Vaishnavi right now. She's literally so happy, and I was like, literally 2 or 3 of her cousins are popping in, and she's like, "Arey, let me talk," and I was like, "I'm so proud of you." I told her that I scored 70 in my 10th, and she's like, "Koi nahi, didi, hota hai."
Stephanie, hashtag Naffat. Seriously, also.
Ma'am, that means I'm out of the Naffat club?
No, who said you are? Just because I added Stephanie to the Naffat club doesn't make you out of it. How does that work? Soru logic na Kareksha. Stephanie, I'm so excited that you're
so proud of her right now. I'm literally like so happy. I'm just waiting for Aisha to text me now. I mean, Aisha is my first kid and she's not texting me. I don't want to samne se text her because I don't know how she's gonna react.
But you can. It's been enough time now. It's 1:45. It's 1:50. So you can, please, you can call her actually. Share, you can call her actually and be there for her. So it's totally fine. Yes. Why don't you go call her? You can come here. Who just came? So you just let a human being into this house and you don't know who he is? Excuse me, please.
Ma'am, here.
Sorry. Can't hear you, Ananya. Can't hear you, Ananya.
Rakshita has posted her mentees
on the group.
Yes, on 2020.
Yeah.
On 2020.
2 of her mentees. She's got both the scores. Good scores in their 60s.
Hello.
In their 60s. Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Hi, Ananya. Trying to phone me. I'm not able to hear anything.
Yeah.
Yes. I just tried to call you because one of my mentees wants to put her paper for rechecking.
Yeah. So that's fine. I believe we were reading something. Where was it written? Is it in the newspapers or that within 7 days they've given a kind of deadline and things? Kisha, had you posted it?
I haven't posted that. But
Okay,
I can
I'll just try and look. But Ananya, if you go online, I'm sure there will be the rechecking how to recheck. I'm just looking in the newspapers while we speak in case that's where I saw it.
But what are the consequences of sending a paper for reval?
Nothing. You just got to pay some small amount of money for the revaluation. Yeah, and often it has happened many times that the marks go up. Huh?
Okay.
How much did your person get, Ananya?
84.
Okay, who is she? She or he?
Janvi Jagdale.
Okay. These people must be all looking for engineering or medicine or something.
Yeah, she wants to do medicine.
Okay, I think I know her. I think I've been to her school. Anyway, I'm just looking in the paper. You guys keep speaking. If I find anything, I'll let you
I'm
know.
trying to check on the site.
Yeah. Yes, students can apply at this thing for recounting of scores up to August 8th and request photocopies of answer sheets. I'm sending you a picture of the thing of the site where you have to apply. Okay, I'm just doing it in a minute. I'm putting it on a group, one of the groups.
Ma'am, but does that affect the form filling and the colleges?
No. She goes on with her filling up her form for the colleges. She just does the verification because sometimes they'll take forever and sometimes they may give it quite soon. They give it soon, then she can immediately approach the college and tell them. So this year, I don't think there'll be any offline because of COVID. But let her check now. If she wants to recheck, there's no harm in it. Why should she always ever be left with the doubt that, oh, if only I had rechecked? Let her recheck. I'm just trying to take a picture of that and send it to you.
Ananya, does that help?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
yeah,
super.
It's here in the paper. Yeah, so can you do me a favor?
Also, I think the last paper was not conducted.
Just take this. Students can read it.
It is really sad that he scored 88. And if the last paper was conducted, he could have scored much more. So that's positive out of it.
Ananya, for that, also they had cut out the marks. They reduced the marks that paper would count for. So it wouldn't have really.
No, but that must have been a subject he was really strong in.
Yes,
exactly. If he would have scored really well, then that 88 could have become a 90 something. Okay. One second, guys. We have Sumit. Sumit is on our call. Hi, Sumit.
Thank you.
Sumit.
Hi, Didi.
Hi.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm glad, ma'am.
You're doing well.
Yeah, Didi.
Okay. What did you score, Sumit?
88%.
And we are very excited about that score. How do you feel about that score?
Yeah, Didi, I'm also proud of me.
Yeah. Yes, you should be proud of yourself. We are very, very proud of you. Your Dilkhush Didi is also very, very proud of you.
Yes, Didi.
Yes. So Sumit, do you want to do commerce, arts or science?
Commerce.
You want to do commerce? Okay, well done, well done. That's a great, great, great idea to do commerce. Great idea to do commerce, yeah? So now Keisha Didi has put the process for entering into college, right? For applying for the colleges. So Dilkhush, you'll need to get your mentees going on that process. Keisha, today only they should start that, right?
No, that starts on the 1st.
That starts on the 1st.
They have to start it on the 26th.
They have to start
just need to make sure that is happening or has already happened.
Okay, super. So Dilkhush Didi will help you, Sumit. Dilkhush Didi will help you select your colleges and put in that online application and everything that you need to do, okay? But the instructions are also on the group. We are so proud of you, Sumit. We're really proud of you. And we're so happy you joined us on the call to celebrate with us. We're really happy that you did that. Thank you, Sumit. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Dilkhush, thanks for letting me know that he was on the call. Thanks for letting me know that he's on the call. Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am, she's asking if the marks get reduced. if she puts it for rechecking.
I don't think so. Rashna, if
No,
she
but
puts it,
I can't give 100% guarantee on that.
okay.
Yeah.
So we
Sometimes
don't know.
it depends on the cheaper. It does. Sometimes they get offended and sometimes they just let it go and they give the mark. So it really depends on who's checking it. So we can't guarantee that it will go higher or if it will stay the same. It can go in either direction.
But they won't cut her marks down.
We don't know that, Ananya. That's what everybody is saying. We don't know that, Ananya.
Hello.
Ananya, there's no guarantee that they won't. Can you hear us?
Yes.
Okay. What I hear Keisha and Rashna saying is there's no guarantee that they won't cut the marks. I guess it's the checker's prerogative.
Okay.
Yeah. So we don't know the answer to that clearly.
Friyaz, I think she would do well to speak with her school teacher.
Okay.
Whoever's, you know, in the teacher, in school, there must be an SSE coordinator or somebody who's really in charge of it, right? There will 100% be, even in a municipal school. So she would do well to discuss it with that person.
Okay. All right. So guys, we are gonna start hopping off this call. And we're going to do the following. Keisha, why don't you work with Satyam, Tanu to start getting Ajisha, Huda,
Yeah.
to start getting a list of all our students with their percentages.
Yes.
All online pehchana, not just 2.0, all online pehchan.
Yes.
Because I want to know if any of our kids failed, then I want to reach out to them personally and speak to them, especially if they are our 2.0 students who I know very well.
Sure.
Can I get that list, say, in the next 3 hours?
We can try.
By 7 p.m., whatever you can get by 7 p.m. So if you don't have someone's score, you can just leave their name and don't put the score. So I'll see from you a list of 78 kids, and then whoever scores you've got, and whoever's you haven't, you will leave blank. Yeah, by 7 p.m., right? It's 4 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay. So if Satyam, Tanu, Jisha, Huda, and you can work on that, that'll be great. Razveen can help with that. So that way Razveen will also start getting in the loop of this kind of work. Yep, sounds good.
Yes.
All right. Arushi, you have outreach work to do. I'm assuming there's a lot of outreach work to do, and today's 1 p.m. hasn't gone up, beta. So if
I think it has.
It has?
Yes.
But I think it'll be great for us to make an SSE graphic also celebrating our high scores, celebrating the number of kids who passed, etc. I'll be super as a starting point for people to know. So Arushi, could you hear me, darling? So Keisha, you can connect with Arushi on that and Shruti on that. So we get something super celebratory, whatever, to celebrate this.
Got it.
Thanks. All right. So Razveen can hop off this call. Satyam can hop off this call. Arushi can hop off this call. Ananya.
Yes, ma'am.
Ananya, what's happening with you?
Ma'am, I told her to speak to her school coordinator and then get in touch with me again.
Okay.
So let's see what her coordinator says about the cutting of marks, like reducing the marks.
Okay. And then will you post on our group and update us so we also are more educated about that piece, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Superb. So Ananya, it's cool. You can hop off this call as well. Thank you so much, Ananya. Yeah, I just saw Ayush.
Ma'am, Ayush is on call.
Thank you, Iksha. Yes, I just saw him hop on this call. Hi, Ayush. Ayush, can you hear me?
Yes, Didi.
Hi, Ayush. I see that smile, Ayush.
Hi.
Tell us the reason
Fine.
behind this smile, Ayush.
Yes.
What was your percentage, Ayush?
64.
Well done, Ayush. Do you feel great
Thank you.
about
Thank
it?
you. What, Didi?
आपको कैसे महसूस हो रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है.
अच्छा लग रहा है, अच्छा लगना चाहिए, अच्छा लगना चाहिए.
Yes.
अच्छा स्कोर है, अच्छा स्कोर है. आपका दीदी भाई, आपके दीदी भैया कौन है?
Akshika Didi.
Akshika Didi. So Keisha, can we get Akshika? She and I don't think ISMI has a lecture. Isn't she in ISMI? No, she's not in ISMI. Okay, अक्षिका दीदी आपको फोन करेगी आयुष. अक्षिका दीदी आपको फोन करेगी क्योंकि आपको वो
Yes, yes.
ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस वगैरह करना पड़ेगा ना, तो अक्षिका दीदी आपको फोन करेगी. ठीक है आयुष?
Okay.
We are very
Yes.
proud of you, Ayush. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you.
और आपने आके हमें बताया वो और भी अच्छा लगा, वो और भी अच्छा लगा. Thank you, Ayush.
Thank you, Didi.
Stephanie, you wanted to say something?
Yes, ma'am. I spoke to my previous mentees before Vaishnavi. They were Aisha and Shashank. And
Yes.
Shashank texted me कि दीदी कैसे हो, आपने call नहीं किया. And I didn't see that message because there were so many messages in my phone. And then I
Yes.
called him up right now and I was like, hi, how are you? You missed me and you didn't call me up. What happened? He's like, I tried calling you. Your number was not reachable. I'm like, I'm so sorry. Then I called him up and then he was so happy about the fact that he got 62%. Initially, he sounded a little sad, but then I was like, you want to get commerce, right? You're getting the college that you want. So just let it be, right?
Yes.
Being sad is not getting you anywhere. And then his mother was there beside. She was cheering him up, you know. Kai khana kande pohe habe tika. I was like, I'm so proud of you. And at the end, while cutting the call, he was happy. And I was like, okay, I'm just so happy about the fact that he scored 62. And then I spoke with Aisha also. Aisha called me सामने से and she's like, दीदी कैसे हो, आपने मुझे call नहीं किया and all of it. So I was like, yeah, because I texted you on WhatsApp, आपने reply नहीं किया. So she was like, नहीं, I'm calling you. I was calling my other friends and everybody. Aisha scored 90. And I was like, but then I asked her how happy is she, because initially when we spoke, her expectations were above 90. So she was a little sad about it, and she told that she cried also, and then her family members consoled her about it because, you know, she didn't score that well according to her. But then she's a topper in her school. She's a topper in classes, and she's sad and she wants to get score 85%. You're getting into Ruya, right? You got 90. तुम्हारा scope तो है ही Ruya में, so why are you getting sad about it? She's like, नहीं दीदी, I was just feeling. I'm like, how are you feeling right now? She's like, I'm feeling right now बहुत अच्छा. I have a wedding to attend in the evening. I'm gonna have biryani. I was like, photo send करना हाँ. Like हाँ.
Then we also want that photo. Stephanie, we're so excited that you're excited. Thank you for sharing with us, Stephanie. Thank you for sharing with us. Arushi, I'm coming to you. Ayush, beta, you can go and celebrate with your friends. आप अपने मम्मी, पापा, friends लोग के साथ celebrate कर सकते हो. आपको we just wanted to see you. We wanted to congratulate you. Abhi, we are very proud of you, but celebrate with your family. अब जाके
Yes.
बहुत मजा करो सबके साथ, ठीक है?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Didi.
Most welcome. Bye. Sorry, Arushi, just be a little patient. Hi, Pooja. Pooja, सुनाई दे रहा है बेटा? Yes, she can hear me. I can see her screen light up. पूजा, वीडियो चालू हो रहा है बेटा? मुझे देखना है आपकी स्माइल. Ah, there it is. Hi, Pooja. Unmute करो बच्चा. Pooja, what did you score, darling? I can't hear you, but I can see you saying 55. Is that what you're saying? 55? Huh. So I think that's a fantastic score, Pooja. I think that's a great score. क्या आप खुश नहीं हो 55 के साथ? आप खुश नहीं हो? आप क्या चाहते थे? आप 75 चाहते थे, आप 75 80 चाहते थे। आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है मुझे पूजा। No, I still can't
She's
hear
on
you.
mute, ma'am.
No, it's okay, it's okay. पूजा मेरी बात सुनो बेटा, आप कैमरा के अंदर देखो ताकि मैं आपको देख सकती हूँ। I think her signal is a challenge. Who's her Didi? Who's her Didi?
Me, ma'am.
You.
Mohammed.
Have you spoken with her already?
Yes, already.
Okay. What information can you give me about that while we're getting her to reconnect?
Okay, so she wanted around 70.
There she is. 1 second. Pooja, सुनाई दे रहा है? No, she can't hear. Keep going, Mohammed.
So she wanted around 70, 75 and she got 55. So she was a little bit worried and all that, that what will happen, how she'll get into college and all that. So I was like, no problem. It's still a good score. Don't worry about that. You will still get into commerce college because she wants to do commerce.
Yeah,
So
she
I
will
gave
get
her
into commerce. Yes.
I gave her a few names of colleges where she can get in, but I told her, I just gave her a few and I told her to go on Google, check commerce colleges in Mumbai and tomorrow get back to me because tomorrow we have a session. They will have a discussion on it. So
Okay.
she will be okay at the end.
Yes.
She's a bit calmed down now. First
Yes.
she wasn't. Yeah.
Yes. But Mohammed, some of these children, we really know their background. So 55% is like 90% for some of our kids. And I think her 55% is like that. And so actually she's done brilliantly well. She really has. And I don't know if she can still hear me. Pooja, सुनाई दे रहा है? मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको? Yes. Okay. Sorry, I was looking at the. Okay. पूजा, आपका 55% से आप बेशक कॉमर्स कॉलेज में एडमिशन पाओगे. You will get admission into a commerce college. और याद है मैंने बुशरा दीदी का स्टोरी बताया था एक दिन आप लोग को, वो याद है? मैं चैट बॉक्स देख रही हूँ, मैंने चैट बॉक्स खोला है. अगर सुनाई दे रहा है क्वेश्चन तो याद है बुशरा दीदी का स्टोरी? यस. ओके. तो पता है कि HSC के बाद भी आप कॉलेज बदल सकते हो अगर आप अपने जो अभी का कॉलेज से खुश नहीं हो तो. लेकिन अभी आपको कॉलेज मिला भी नहीं है तो कैसे पता है आपको खुश होना चाहिए या नहीं? पूजा, Mohammed, can you why don't you send her a text and and then reach out to her maybe in a couple of hours again to make sure that her emotions have leveled out a little bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, don't wait. Didi, please repeat. Okay. पूजा, तेरा तू मत बोल, पर तू तेरा कैमरा चालू करेगी ना तो मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा पता होगा कि आपको सुनाई दे रहा है कि नहीं. थोड़ा मुझे उसमें समझ आता है. ठीक है पूजा, मैं ये बोल रही थी, एक दिन याद है जब मैंने वो कॉलेज सेशन किया था, मैंने बुशरा दीदी के बारे में बोला था. वो बुशरा दीदी हमारे साथ शुरू किया था. वो उसकी परसेंटेज से खुश नहीं थी. वो सिद्धार्थ कॉलेज में गई थी FYJC के लिए, SYJC के लिए. फिर आगे जाके वो SYJC में वो पहचान से जुड़ी रही दोनों साल, FYJC और SYJC. और फिर HSC में उसने अच्छा किया और फिर वो हिंदुजा कॉलेज गई और उसका अभी ग्रेजुएशन वो हिंदुजा कॉलेज से करेगी. तो बेटा, आपके आज के मार्क्स आपके कल तय नहीं करेगा. अभी जो आप चॉइसेस बनाएंगे ना, जो चुनोगे आप कि अभी मैं खुश रहने वाली हूँ, जितना सबसे बेस्ट कॉलेज में जा सकती हूँ वो सबसे बेस्ट कॉलेज में जाऊंगी. 2 साल बहुत मेहनत करूंगी, HSC में दूसरा स्कोर लेके आऊंगी और फिर कॉलेज चेंज करूंगी. वैसे भी हम लोग हैं ना आपके साथ, अभी 2 साल हम भी आपके साथ ही जुड़े रहेंगे, है ना? हम आपको नहीं छोड़ने वाले हैं. आपके हाथ, जब तक आप हमारे हाथ पकड़ के रखोगे हम आपका हाथ पकड़ के रखेंगे। बनोगे हमारी दोस्त, पकड़ोगे हमारे हाथ, चलोगे हमारे साथ। हाँ, there is no, Pooja, you promise me you'll keep your camera on. बेटा रोने की जरूरत ही नहीं है ना, हम बोल रहे हैं आपको कि आपने अच्छा किया, थोड़ा विश्वास रखो हमारे ऊपर। दूसरे लोग ने जो भी आपको बोला होगा, पूजा इतने सालों से आप दूसरे लोग की बात सुन रहे हो, हमारी बात सुनो। हमने बहुत सारे बच्चों को के साथ चले हैं, हमें पता है ये स्टोरी अभी शुरू हो रही है, खत्म नहीं हुई है स्टोरी। ओके, कहानी यहाँ से शुरू होती है पूजा, कहानी यहाँ से शुरू होती है। मैं बहुत बड़ी एक झप्पी आपको भेज रही हूँ, मिल रहा है आपको? वापस कैमरा बंद कर दिया, मिल रहा है आपको? आप कहाँ रहते हो पूजा? आप टाइप करो, मैं आपको देख रही हूँ लेकिन आप टाइप करो चैट में। Mama, do you know which area she stays in? No, okay. So she's typing. She's typing. Jijmata Nagar. Where is that? Does anybody know? Rashna, do you know?
Worli.
Worli. Oh, so I can go and see her.
Jija Mata, if I can speak to her for a minute, I'll just confirm that she's...
Cotton green, she's written.
Cotton green. It's okay, approximately the same.
Approximately the same, all right. So, Pooja, मैं आऊँ आपसे मिलने? I can't see her. Mohammed, once you talk to her, if you still feel she's not so great, she's not so far. Social distancing, I can meet her.
She said okay. She replied to.
She said okay. All right. So we'll do something to come.
She said Mahalakshmi.
Mahalakshmi. Okay. I will come to see you. All right. I will come to see you. But no crying. All right. You have done very well. You have done very well. थोड़ा भरोसा रखो अपनी दीदी पे, आपने बहुत अच्छा किया है, बहुत अच्छा किया है, ठीक है? I will come to see you. I will come to see you. All right?
Does she have a parent around?
आपके मम्मी पापा है आपके पास अभी? Someone was wiping her tears, so I know she has someone there with her. आपके साथ कौन है फिलहाल अभी?
Mommy. I can live. Call her. Call the mother.
आप मम्मी को बुला सकते हैं? What do you want me to say to the mom? नमस्ते आंटी, आवाज आ रही है आपको मेरी? आंटी, आपकी बेटी ने बहुत अच्छा किया है, बहुत बहुत अच्छा किया है। हम बेहद खुश हैं उनके मार्क्स से।
समझा रही,
वही समझा रहे हो? हाँ, बहुत अच्छा किया है, उसको कॉलेज भी मिलेगा और हम उनके साथ चलेंगे 2 साल। अभी ये दोनों साल कॉलेज के हम उनके साथ रहेंगे और वो और भी अच्छा करेगी। वो बहुत ही अच्छी बेटी है आपकी, दिल की बहुत साफ है, मेहनतू है, हमें क्लास में मिलती है और उसके परसेंटेज बहुत अच्छा है आंटी। उसको थोड़ा भी फिक्र की बात नहीं है, ठीक है? थोड़ी भी फिक्र की बात नहीं है। हम बेहद खुश हैं उनसे, आप भी बेहद खुश रहिए उनसे। जोर से झप्पी देना उसको, ठीक है? ठीक है?
हाँ ठीक है।
ओके, उनको फोन दीजिए ना थोड़ा प्लीज। पूजा, बी माई रॉक स्टार, ओके? बी माई रॉक स्टार। अभी से कहानी लिखते हैं, ठीक है? मैं आऊंगी आपसे मिलने, मैं आती हूँ आपसे मिलने, ठीक है?
Does she remember what Holston got in his 10th and then what he got in his 12th and where he is today?
आपने सुना रशना क्या बोल रही है? रशना पूछ रही है आपको, आपने होल्स्टन भैया का स्पीच सुना था फ्राइडे को, लास्ट फ्राइडे को आप नहीं आए थे, तो होल्स्टन भैया ने बात की थी हमसे कि उन्होंने एसएससी में 55% लेके आए थे और फिर एचएससी में 65% लेके आए थे और आगे जाके उसकी जिंदगी बहुत अच्छी निकली। वो अब सीनियर मैनेजर है इतने बड़े रेस्टोरेंट का, बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है। अगर नहीं सुना है ना उनकी स्पीच फ्राइडे को, हम लोग ने यूट्यूब पे डाला है, जाके जरूर समझना, अच्छा लगेगा आपको। ठीक है मोहम्मद, कैन यू सेंड हर दैट लिंक राइट अवे?
Yes, I was just.
I tell you, my change makers are amazing. I saw that finger go and I knew that's what you were doing. All right, great job, Pooja. We love you. We love you. Will you please give your address and directions to Mohammad Bhaiya and I will come and see you. या तो आज आऊंगी या तो कल, लेकिन जरूर मिलने आऊंगी। ओके ओके, थैंक यू। आप ये कॉल लीव कर सकते हैं और मोहम्मद भाइया को सब डिटेल्स लिखा देना। ठीक है पूजा? ओके, बाय पूजा।
Thank you so much, ma'am.
अरे यार, we are a team. All right? All right. Wow, that takes something. All right. Stephanie, you are like this glow ball. You, Eksha, you know, y'all were my huge challenge points in leadership sessions. Now I see y'all and I'm like, wow, success stories. Super leaders y'all are becoming. Dilkhush, darling, I'm not done with you. I don't know, I'm coming back to you for the 4th time now. Are you still there? Yes. All right. All I was trying to say to you earlier is that when I see you today, sorry, I see what a brilliantly long way your heart has come. Yes, I know you feel that. I know you feel that. And I'm so abundantly proud of you for that, Dilkhush. And I know this, I will always remember the night Rikisha and I got on a call with you after your first call with Pinky and how distraught you were. And do you remember at all anything I told you that night? Because you were so emotional. I'm not sure if you remember. Do you remember at all anything I told you?
Not really, but
that's okay. I know you were so emotional.
Yes, but that night, like, I just wrote down all those things that trouble me, like, in the society, and I don't know, like, I have to still work on how do I set my goals to at least be near. Like, all I took from that, like, till what I know is that you have to put drops in the ocean, like, to fill the ocean. So, like, you can't completely achieve the whole, solve the whole world's problem, but then you can do your bit, and that's how.
I also told you her story is not over.
Yes.
I also told you her story is not over. We've done this for so many years now. We've done this for so many years that we've learned a few things along the way. And you just see, you know, now thanks to Zoom, we are actually captured. You know, normally in a normal Pehchan, what happens, Dilkhush, we don't have enough videographers, then we don't have enough time to go through the footage, and you know, so we have a hard time showcasing the success we've had. The blessing of Zoom is that we've been able to record so much. And today that Pinky, who's only been able to connect on the phone, only been able to connect on a regular call, she's not even been able to connect on a WhatsApp call. In like 3 months, we've progressed her from a regular call to getting onto Zoom to share her SSC scores. And when we see her, we can see how she's dressed, we can see her background, we can see the family influence or lack thereof. And now over the next couple of years, when we grow her, we'll actually be able to see that. And you know, Dilkhush, you will be part of that success story, because that drop began with you.
Ma'am, but then I was not able to continue teaching her, and I think that's like always a thing that will, because of my internship and all of that. I mean, I wanted to teach her, but then we had to shift her time because she wasn't able to do it in the evening. So I mean, I just feel insignificant in, like, whenever it comes to Pinky. Like, I was bothered, but then I could not do anything about it.
Yeah,
Like,
but
I
see,
said,
Dilkhush, this is the fundamental challenge I have with this society. I really do. This is a fundamental challenge I have, because they have defined significance as something that's like this big. It's how we define significance. And what I love the most, actually, I love a lot of things about Pehchan, but one of the things I love the most is it's beyond any one person. We work like a super team. So here's how Pinky's story evolved. Because she was assigned to you, because she touched your heart, because you got emotional and upset, Keisha and I got involved. Because we walked you through it, we were now fully aware of her story. Because you kept at it the next day and the next 2-3 days, you kept at it for her calls. This became important for us to get involved in. Became important enough for me to assign a senior to it, such as Swara. Became important enough for me to call and speak to her mother, get the correct story, reassign her to Ria. You see, if you hadn't gotten upset about it, emotional about it, it wouldn't have evolved. This project is beyond any one person. I love it because together we change someone and something. And I think fundamentally the society has made the word significance so big that we feel we are only worthy when we do something that big. But that's a lie. That is a huge lie. So that a few can feel significant and make the rest feel insignificant. But the truth is, in her story, you will always be the first seed, the first drop. And without that, there wouldn't have been a Pinky story. Because another mentor could have just as easily said, ma'am, I can't reach her. And I would have said, okay, well, if you can't reach her, then that's it. So don't discount the role you have played. And also, your role in her life is not over. Trust me on that. You will continue with Pehchan. She will continue with Pehchan. And if I can make a prediction, she will come back as a leader. You watch. See, doesn't that do something to your heart? She will come back as a leader. She will become like a Vrushali, and she will grow with us. And at that time, when we tell her story, you will be part of that story. Do you get that? Yeah, you should. You should feel it. And this little part of her on the screen with that little dupatta thing that she had, and it'll be like the before Akhilesh and the after Akhilesh. Right? And seeing her in that Pehchan shirt and seeing her mentor someone else. So, you know, like how I see Vrushali today, Mohammad, Vrushali mentoring 2 other people. Imagine that's her future. Right? And you will always be part of that story. Don't let society define significance. Y'all just listen to me, y'all just listen to me. Forget everybody else.
Yes. You know, Dilkhosh, the reason you had your internship that gave us the opportunity of having an evening session during online lecture.
Yes.
Otherwise, we wouldn't have thought of it. And because there was an evening session, that's why we could accommodate Pinky to begin with. Otherwise, she would have been left on the first day.
Yes.
With a few other mentees who didn't connect with us, who we couldn't connect with.
Yes.
And because you set that in motion for us, that's how Pinky got involved.
Yes.
Yes.
You know? Yes. Yes. And actually, because your internship people were not nice and didn't let you off in the morning. No, seriously, this is how, look, when you are trying to do great work, the universe does support you. There are things we can't see and there are things we cannot understand. And like, there's a reason we pray before every day, before beginning every day, right? Because we know that our guiding force can see something we can't. So, even though we were disheartened initially, internship people are not understanding how significant this program is and not giving you the leave that you wanted. This is a great point that Keisha brought up. And we were able to serve her and now carry her with us because they said no. Think about it. Yeah. So, no more bakwas stories. No more bakwas stories in this head.
Yes.
Right. None of you get that privilege of crap. Because here, everything matters. Right? That's why you will see we never give like, I don't know, the awards also we give are very different in Pehchan. Because who's going to take credit for a mentee's growth? No one person can take credit for a mentee's growth. Right? So don't discount the role you've played in her life and be here to watch her grow. Be here to watch her grow. If you're not, we will send you the photos. So we will send you the photos. Okay, Mohammed, are you feeling okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Dilkhosh, are you feeling okay? I know you're okay. Dilkhosh, are you feeling okay?
Ma'am, I had one more challenge. Like,
yes.
Can I address it right now? Like,
yes, right away. That's what we're here for. Please.
So basically, what is happening is, like, till now, I was taking Ranjana and Sumit's lecture on English lectures at 7:30 p.m. However, now Ranjana has some TFI related course, like she's doing some commerce course with them, which is from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. in the evening.
Every day?
Yes, till Saturday. It's just Sunday that she's free. So I wanted to ask if, like, can we conduct sessions on Sunday instead of Thursday?
Yes. Actually, now I think we're going to have to start being flexible because I'm sure college classes will also start now that they know which colleges they might be applying to. So I think Sunday is fine. You can do that. Not an issue. But Dilkhosh, you're not sending me photos of your sessions with them. Take screenshots now. Just screenshots of you all hanging out together. Just take screenshots and send. All right?
They usually just shut their cameras. So
ask them to turn it on for a minute and take a screenshot. Ask them to turn it on. Yeah? All right. I love you very much. Yes, I love you very much. All right? Keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep feeling what you're feeling. But remember to tell us what you're feeling so we can walk with you. Okay? Okay. Have the best day, darling. Have the best day. Eksha, you have hung out like this is a soap opera, huh? Akho ek second joyuch to hai. Otherwise, madam has to eat, has to fill a project, has to do something else, has kai hajar excuses aapse mane to.
Ma'am, we have sessions right now for 3 more weeks. It's me sessions and then after we have exams again.
So what? So now go study for your exams. I don't want Dr. Shani telling me that one of my superb leaders has not performed well on her exams. That's not an option. Because that's going to be a new criteria Keisha, Rashna, and I have decided. Well, except Keisha and Rashna don't know it yet. So go study for your papers. Go study for your papers. All right, do really well, Iksha. Arushi, what was all your excitement about?
Yes. Can you hear me, ma'am?
I can.
So, ma'am, the mentees who did not connect to us for Pehchan 2.0 also called me. They called me to tell me their marks, and they're so happy. So, one of my mentees who were twins, the girls, Riddhi and Siddhi, they had called me, and they were a bit dejected because they were in 70s.
Okay.
So, and they wanted 80 plus. So, I kind of got them out of it, and then all three of us were like almost screaming. We were like, yay, we got marks. And I told them to celebrate. I told them to have a lot of fun today. It's their day, and they're like very happy. So I'm just happy that they called me. They called me, and also Sumit also called me, my other mentee, who and he got around 88. So even he was very happy, but he just wanted to. He said, "Riddhi, mujhe aapko batana tha. I wanted to kind of know your opinion." Right. So
well done. Arushi, I'm so excited that you're excited. Yes.
That's why I was very excited.
I think you all need to think about how you all are going to celebrate with your mentees. Because tomorrow, before you start, I think you all should celebrate with them a little bit. So, you know, those stickers, send them the stickers, or, you know, send them a GIF telling them how proud you are of them, or send a little message. But push it up a little bit, celebrate, make it exciting, make it happy. Yeah? Yay, Arushi. Thank you, Arushi. Ananya, you raised your hand. Did you want to ask another question or say something? Ananya? Okay, she's not there. Stephanie, you good? So can we call this call to a close? Can we call this call to a close? Keisha, you think it's okay to call it to a close? Yes?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, cool. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. This was awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Love you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Keisha.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, wait now. Are? Chalni, maine end karwa dene?
Bye.
My computer only doesn't want me to end it. Bye. See you.
Bye, Rashna, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.